Ever wondered how to earn a doctor's salary without stepping foot in med school or spending a fortune on credentials? Don't worry. This isn't a guide on becoming an illegal veneer tech or medical scam artist. Definitely not the vibe you'll find here. Instead, I'm about to show you exactly how, with just your laptop and a solid internet connection, you can make a 5-figure income every month, all by using AI, building websites, and offering easy-to-execute upsell services for local businesses. And guess what? No technical skills or coding experience needed to get started. Today, we're diving into a strategy that's helping everyday people create consistent, scalable income. Take Ryan, for example. He landed a $15K website build this month, plus recurring website management at $597, all with just one client. Or consider Cannon, who now enjoys a $20K monthly income after leaving his grueling 12-hour army shifts. These success stories are proof that this method is not only possible, but highly effective. Thanks to the rise of no-code website builders and AI tools, creating professional, high-quality websites and achieving these results has never been easier. Surprisingly, most people aren't tapping into the full potential of this opportunity. The method we'll discuss today is far more scalable and predictable than the traditional freelancing route, where inconsistent income and client uncertainty are the norms. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is the roller coaster of income. One month thriving, the next month scrambling for clients. But that's about to change. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process, step by step, from getting started to scaling your income. Stick with us, because by the time we reach the 4th step, you'll have everything you need to turn this opportunity into a reliable, lucrative venture. If you're excited to learn how to create reliable income streams, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at Digital Hippie. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in. Step 1, identifying your target niche. Before diving into building websites, the first step is to identify your target niche. This is where AI can be a huge help. Start by using ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate a list of small business niches that typically need websites. Usually these include beauty and personal care businesses, restaurants and cafes, fitness providers, event services, real estate agents, and home service providers. These industries are all great places to begin. To make it even easier, focus on niches that have a high lead cost. Businesses that are already spending money on acquiring new clients. These companies are more likely to invest in website services and other offers we'll cover later in the tutorial. For your convenience, I've exported a top 100 lead cost by niche spreadsheet and left a link to it in the description for you to reference. Just choose a niche that interests you from that list. Don't overthink the niche selection. Now, here's a key tip. Focus on just one business type to start. Specializing in a single niche allows you to streamline your communication and sharpen your expertise, making your pitch more effective. Don't try to build websites for a plumber one day and a fitness trainer the next. Each business type has unique needs, and by sticking to one, you'll learn how to address those specific requirements and speak their language. You can always expand later, but for now, keep it simple and targeted. Step 2, find potential clients. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is to find businesses that don't yet have a website. The most common approach is manually using Google Maps. For example, you can search for personal trainers in Seattle and look through the results for listings that lack a website link. While this method works, it can be time-consuming, as you'll need to manually compile a list of businesses, including their names, phone numbers, and emails. There's a much faster and more efficient way to find potential clients, and that's with Outscraper. Instead of manually scrolling through Google listings to find businesses without a website, Outscraper lets you gather business information with just a few clicks. Simply head over to outscraper.com and sign up for their free tier. Once you're in, go to Services, Google's Maps, and select the Google Maps scraper. Enter your niche, category, and desired locations. To increase your potential client pool, consider expanding beyond a single city. Just keep your query under 500 results to stay within the free tier. Click Get Data, and you'll receive an Excel file with a list of businesses. From there, filter the site column of your Excel file to show only blanks, which will highlight the businesses without websites. You'll now have a highly targeted list of leads, complete with emails, names, and phone numbers. Everything you need to start your outreach, saving you hours of manual effort. Step 3, outreach. Now that you've built your lead list, it's time to start reaching out to potential clients. The best way to make contact is by using a proven script with a high response rate. Here's the script you'll want to use. I'll link it below so you can easily copy and paste it. Hey, are you still open? I tried to look up your website to see reviews when searching for a insert service in insert city, but couldn't find one. This is a bit random, but I decided to build you one. Would it be cool if I emailed you a link to the new website? Let me know if you like it. Now, don't worry. You're not actually building a website for free. All you're doing is using a platform called Go High Level to import a ready-made template and adding their logo to it. Go High Level is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that has templates for nearly every niche imaginable, so you'll have plenty to choose from. Now, keep in mind that these business owners are often bombarded with service pitches, so your goal is to be concise, direct, and immediately show value. Offering a free website right away makes it much more likely that they'll respond positively. And when it comes to outreach, you've got several options. You can cold call, send an email, DM them on social media, or even text. The method you choose is entirely up to you and what you're most comfortable with. But the important thing is, you make contact with the leads you gathered. Step 4, generate and present the website. Once a business owner responds positively, it's time to generate their website using Go High Level. Let's walk through this in more detail. First, click the first link in my description to sign up and access your free trial of the Go High Level platform. After you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is create a sub-account. Head to Sub-Accounts in the left-hand menu, click Add Sub-Account, and create a blank snapshot. Name it something like Quick Launch Websites, since this will serve as a placeholder for potential clients until they officially sign on. For now, you'll keep all interested leads under this one sub-account. Once they become paying clients, you can easily move them to their own dedicated sub-account. After the snapshot is ready, navigate to the website template section and search for the niche you're targeting. For example, if you're working with personal trainers, select that template and import it into your Quick Launch Websites sub-account. Next, quickly customize the template by adding their logo. If you want to update the template content in detail, feel free to use ChatGPT to generate some quick copy. But remember, the goal here is speed and efficiency. You can refine the details once they become a paying client. For now, just get their logo on the site, which should only take a few minutes. As new leads come in, simply duplicate the website and swap out the logo. Now that you've quickly created a basic website for the client, it's important to think about long-term recurring revenue. This is where software as a service, or SaaS, comes into play. By offering ongoing services like website management, and a few others we'll discuss in just a moment, you can provide continuous value to your clients. These services ensure you get paid monthly, not just once for the website. With Go High Level, you can easily integrate SaaS services, creating a steady and predictable income stream. Once the site is ready, hop on a Zoom call to present it. This personal interaction allows you to dive deeper into their business needs and pain points to potentially upsell them on additional services. Showing the website over email isn't nearly as effective, so aim for a 30-minute Zoom call to walk them through the site and explore more of your solutions. Now, you may be asking, what solutions or services can I present to the potential client, and how should I price and structure my offers? So let's further explore pricing your offers and upsell solutions. To keep your offers and upsell solutions simple, we'll break everything down into 4 categories, each with increasing value. Service Category 1, Quick Launch Websites. This is your entry-level service, where you're just offering the quick launch websites. If you're just starting out, I recommend charging between $200 to $300 for ongoing website management. This fee ensures the business continues using the site you've built and stays online. If they don't have a domain, suggest they get one, and you can offer to set it up as part of the service. To sweeten the deal, offer the first 30 days free. Businesses, especially those already paying high lead costs, will see value in having a professional website, and this is a great way to get your foot in the door to offer additional services. Service Category 2, Essential SaaS Services. Next is Essential SaaS Services, which sets you apart. Software as a service is all about offering software-based solutions like automated lead follow-up, AI chatbots, Google Reviews Management, email marketing, and missed call text back automation. The beauty of SaaS is that clients subscribe to these services monthly, giving you recurring income, and they are set up directly in the Go High Level platform. You can charge each client $400 to $600 per month for these services, and businesses already spending heavily on leads will be eager to invest in automation to boost their ROI and sales. For instance, consider a plumber who is frequently busy on the job and might miss calls from potential leads. If it takes hours to return a call, those leads might have already gone to another plumber who is available right away. By offering automated lead follow-up with missed call text back services, you can make sure the plumber never loses a lead to a competitor. This service is so valuable that the plumber would likely pay you monthly to manage both their website and their automated follow-up, helping them secure more business and boost their lead conversion. Service Category 3, Advanced Digital Marketing. For clients ready to scale, offer advanced digital marketing services, including Google My Business Management, paid ads with Facebook and Google, and SEO. You don't need to offer these right away, but once you gain experience, offer these services at a lower rate to build your portfolio. As you generate results, you can use those case studies to attract more clients. Eventually, you can charge $1,500 or more for managing a service like paid ads. Remember, the ad spend is separate and paid directly to platforms like Google or Facebook. Service Category 4, Custom Websites. Lastly, Offer custom websites. This is a tailored service where you can charge between $5,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on the website's complexity and your expertise. The custom website would have more functionality, design flexibility, and specialized features specific to their business needs versus the basic, quick launch website. Whether you use Go High Level or another website builder platform, the key is addressing the client's specific needs. Avoid overwhelming them by offering too many services at once. Start by listening to their pain points and providing a solution that builds trust and fosters a long-term partnership. By structuring your offers this way, you give your clients clear choices while ensuring real value at every level. To begin offering these services, try out Go High Level for yourself. It's an incredible tool that makes offering these exact services a breeze for you and your clients. I've included a free trial link in the description below to help you get started with scaling your business efficiently. Finally, I want to leave you with a few bonus tips to help you kickstart your SaaS website building business the right way. Bonus tips. First, get to know Go High Level inside and out. It's one of the best tools for building a SaaS business, combining everything into one platform, from building and customizing websites and funnels to automating emails and follow-up. Dive into Go High Level's free university and SaaS education to quickly boost your skills and earnings. Second, use Go High Level to build your own website. Although it's not required to land your first clients, creating your website with Go High Level helps you apply what you've learned and enhances your credibility. Even a simple one-page site showcasing your services can make a big difference. My third bonus tip is to focus on one niche. Specializing helps you become an expert in that area, making it easier to tailor your services and build trust with clients. When you concentrate on a specific niche, you'll close deals faster and more effectively. Fourth tip is start small and scale gradually. Begin with quick launch websites and, as you grow more comfortable, expand into additional services like SaaS or digital marketing. Think paid ads and SEO. Growing at your own pace ensures you deliver top-notch service while refining your skills. Additionally, ask clients for testimonials. Positive reviews build credibility and attract new business. Go High Level simplifies managing client relationships, so you can focus on growth. And my last bonus tip is to consider outsourcing. This channel is all about working less and earning more. So I'm a big advocate for outsourcing. At the start, you'll handle everything yourself, which helps you understand the business model, workflow, style, and your zone of genius. But once you're established with a few clients, it's time to outsource tasks you don't enjoy or where you're not an expert. Remember, building your business is just as important as building websites and providing solutions for clients. By outsourcing, you'll focus on what you love and excel at, which will accelerate your SaaS business growth. This approach not only keeps your clients happy with exceptional results, but also ensures your business continues to thrive. If you're ready to dive into offering websites and digital marketing services using the SaaS model, check out the free trial of Go High Level linked in the description below. It's the perfect way to start building scalable income. Once you begin, you'll quickly see the power of combining this model with the Go High Level platform. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable insights. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer. Thanks for watching. This is Digital Hippie, encouraging you to work less, earn more, and live hippie.